Special provision for computing taxable income from activities connected with mineral exploration. Section 44BB. Now, this section is again a section which provides for deeming of income in case of certain assessees. And as the heading itself reads, this is notwithstanding contrary provisions in section 28 to section 43A. In case of a non-resident taxpayer engaged in the business of providing facilities or services in connection with, so if you are a non-resident who is either providing facilities or services in connection with, or you are a non-resident who is supplying plant and machinery on hire, used or to be used. So you are supplying plant and machinery which may be used in exploration for and exploitation of mineral oils. Right? So basically what is happening here is that in case of a non-resident who is doing either of these cases, that is, he is providing some facilities or services, or he's supplying plant and machinery on hire, used or to be used for what? For exploration for mineral oils or exploitation of mineral oils. In that case, the income of the non-resident can be deemed at 10% of the total receipts. So let's say he gets 100,000 as the total income. The income will be 10,000. Okay, and then you apply the tax rate, whatever it might be, 40% or whatever surcharge added or cess if and as may be applicable, and then you can treat this as your income. Again, lower income. This person has an option to declare a lower income than 10%. It's not necessary that once you are engaged in this business, the income has to be taken at 10%. Such assessee can declare income which is lower than 10% provided it maintains. Yes, that comes with a rider. If you say my income is less than 10%, then you have to maintain books of accounts under section 44AA subsection 2. Okay, and you have to get your accounts audited and furnish a tax audit report under section 44AB. So if you are engaged in this business, namely the exploration for mineral oils or exploitation of mineral oils, right? And you are doing any kind of a facility or service, or you're supplying plant and machinery to a person who's engaged in this business, then you have an option that whatever income you derived out of that, or whatever receipts actually you get, to that you can apply 10%, and that will be deemed as an income, right? You can also opt for a lower income provided you maintain the books of accounts and get the accounts audited and furnish a tax audit report, right?